So we all know what is going on in Enugu State. A lot of people have actually called the attention of everyone that Fulani people are taking lands and farmlands, forests, and what have you in Enugu State. In fact, some people say that people are paying heavily, like the rate of people that are being paid or that are paying on a daily basis in the streets of Enugu in some of these remote areas is alarming. Yeah, 2 days ago there was this news that there's this people that carry West Bean Eswama in Enugu State that they want to carry refuse, in one area in Enugu State, and it happened that one of the big bag, like one of the supposed refuse there, it happened to be a dead body inside of that plastic. And when they opened that, because it was very heavy, they couldn't carry it once. They have to open it and see what is inside, and behold, a young person, a young man, but the person don't have head anymore. They have already taken, removed the head and all that. Very, strange something, because it's not. See, our land is not known for this kind of thing, but judging by what is going on in other states, like in the northeast, north central, all these like Plateau, all this Christian dominated area in the north, they have been witnessing this kind of thing. Then in Benue, down to Middle Belt, we do hear story like that. Few days ago, of course, in Benin City, another news, another incident, and everything is pointing hand on one tribe, Fulani. In Yoruba land, a lot of incidents like this. Now, hearing those things, and governors and leaders, political leaders are not worried about what this thing is resulting, like the effect of Fulani people in their own state as a governor, where they sit and claim they're a governor. Some of them they're not worried about it. And you may wonder, why are they not worried? Why are they not doing anything serious to at least to stop this kind of thing? Some governors are, in the southwest, they are trying to do something about it, though, but their try is not good enough. In the east, the governors are busy trying to attack those that are somehow that want to do something to stop this kind of attack, this kind of behavior from Fulani, and they try to oppose on the life of the citizens of the state. Enugu State is not different from other states, but the news that we have for you this hour is coming from Enugu State, even though the person that carried this news somehow is somebody that that have questionable character. But being that we have other reports from Enugu, I'm gonna take the news serious. And the person that have this news or shared it on his platform is China Saworo. Yeah, I know China Saworo. Anyway, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about what you're about to discuss, because many of you also have received information, or maybe you have watched some news or rumor, you may say, about Enugu State. And the governor of Enugu State currently is the person everybody is trying to point finger at. And I'm not here to exempt him, but I'm here to also report what people are sharing about Enugu State and insecurity that a governor is trying to undermine and play politics on it. Now, like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn the bell notification on. Tell us what you think about this news, and I would like to read from you. Very, very important. So this guy called China Saworo said, breaking news, information reaching IPOB leadership. Don't mind, okay, just pay attention to the news itself. But this kind of leadership and all that, they love it so much. has it that over the weekend, Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah sent a delegation of traditional rulers to Sultan of Sokoto to beg him that they want to live in peace with Fulani people, irrespective of all the violence and tribal tension going on. Also, they want his advice on how to accommodate Fulani people in Igbo land, and they begged him to ask his people to forget about the civil war. Few weeks ago, there's some news also flying on the social media that's somehow related with this thing. Okay, that this particular governor in Hamufu of all places, when you talk about attack and part of people and Fulani presence, you have to talk about the Hamufu and other can follow suit. But it was reported that governor of Enugu State spent up to 3 billion to secure a farmland in Hamufu for Fulani to settle there. And nobody have debunked it. So I believe this news, despite that the person that's reporting it is not somebody that you can be proud of, isn't it? So I believe it because the series of news have surfaced. If you don't mind, if you don't watch the news, or maybe you have not listened to other people saying the same thing, you may think it's not true. But personally, I have seen a lot of people pointing finger at governor of Enugu State, and what is going on there is something that nobody is proud of. Last year, people actually wanted to go to North to beg them to forgive Ndi that that they have done this and done that. Imagine if not that PM and Biafra, oh God. Imagine the book that IBB now released saying that Igbos are not that Q is not Igbo Q. Imagine if these people if they have wasted their time and when travel to North just to beg them to forgive Ndibo, begging people for something that you did not commit. Imagine that. It would have been one of the most stupid thing ever. Anyway, let's continue. His Royal Highness Igwe Syria Ayo Oburu Obu one Buru one of Buruburu one of Omokbo Autonomous Community and the chairman of Ibeze North Traditional Rulers Council in company of other traditional leaders are part of the delegation sent to beg the Sultan of Sokoto, Mohammed Sadi Abubakar III, and Governor Ahmed Aliu of Sokoto State was present as these shameless Igbo traditional leaders made the plea. Can you imagine that? Why are they eager and to beg? I don't know. Why are they so eager? Because last year they made an attempt to go and beg Fulani also. Then PM and Biafrans, told them that if they go, they should also remain there. And everyone begin to talk. A lot of people begin to talk, including those that are not even talking about Biafra. Everyone was busy trying to rebook those people that want to do that kind of shameless act. And finally, they couldn't do that because people raised an alarm and stopped that nonsense. Like I said, imagine if they have done that and I don't know say IBB, sorry, okay, IBB came up with this his new book that everybody is talking about, apart from Afonja, who refused to acknowledge what the IBB said there. So, my people, what do you think about Governor of Enugu State? Because all this thing is always pointing finger at him. Does it mean that he want to turn Enugu State to like Imo State, or he want to initiate another new madness apart from the one going on in Imo State at the moment? What do you think he want to achieve by all these shenanigans? Because people need to call it what it is. I don't know why they refuse to see what is going on in Imo State, or because it's not affecting them. They can use that to just pipe up for fun. The time will tell. Time will tell. But I doubt Enugu may not be like Imo State because people are going to learn from what is going on in Imo State and to refuse to allow them to do this nonsense that is going on now. If you know the people, how people have been how they are being pied in Igbo land today, it is shocking. It is very. It's just that nobody pay close attention to. Nobody have the statistic of people being pied on a daily basis. But a lot of things is going on there. Tell me what you think about this, and I would like to hear from you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye bye for now.